STOK stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Stoke Therapeutics stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief and short 1 minute video. So ultimately how things are looking like is that this is a very decent bullish market. Not something that I'm immediately going to start buying or anything similar, but what I'll do is I'll mark up the top, and here's my demand zone. And yeah, the thing about this is that I'm already kind of late, so I just hope it corrects down a bit, because I'm not going to run after the trade whatsoever. Only if it does pull down and gives rules, then yeah, sure, then I'll look to take it up. But other than that, be it. See ya. So if you want to get free stock picks, emails, and insights daily to make more money, click the first link in the description. It's absolutely free. And I was curious if I have any STOK receipts in the Discord, but it seems like I haven't got any, so that's that. Stay tuned though.